Listen, in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you up a ladder of 8 YouTube Shorts niches that actually scale. Each step on this ladder takes you closer to financial freedom, and I'll show you exactly how much you can earn at every level. This is Spotless Leads, and what you're about to hear is the clearest blueprint for turning short-form content into real money. So smash that subscribe button so you don't miss the next level of this YouTube income ladder. First rung, commentary. This is the foundation. Commentary shorts teach you the essential craft: tight scripting, tension-driven hooks, crisp editing, reliable thumbnails, and consistent publishing. Start with a niche you know, sneakers, tech, or football, and turn your insight into 30-second stories that hold attention. Most commentary creators earn around $3 to $6 per thousand views, which means 1 million views can pull in $3,000 to $6,000. Once sponsorships or affiliate links come in, channels like Patrick CC and Curtis can push $8,000 to $15,000 monthly. Commentary trains every skill you'll need later: storytelling, retention, monetization. And that leads us to an even higher earning niche. Second step on the ladder, short-form remix content, sometimes called brain rot. This is fast, trend-driven content that uses viral sounds and quick edits. All you do is take the audio of viral video, add clips and brain rot background footages in the edits, throw on some captions, add some simple emojis on it, and then you're good to go. It's easy to outsource and can hit massive numbers. RPMs hover around $1 to $3, but at scale you can pull $5,000 to $10,000 per month with ad revenue and creator fund bonuses. Check channels like Chill Vibes or Meme Archive. It's not glamorous, but it's a cash engine, and that revenue can fund your climb to higher value niches. Third rung, clipping streamers and live content. You're leveraging other creators' moments to ride their wave. If you're first to post a viral highlight, you capture their audience fast. RPMs range from $2 to $5, and with consistency, channels can hit $7,000 to $12,000 per month. Smart creators don't create trends, they ride them. And one of the easiest ways to do that is through streamer clipping. Here's how it works. Pick a big streamer you enjoy, clip their best or funniest moments as they happen, and upload them as YouTube Shorts. The earlier you catch these moments, the more you stand out. You're essentially tying your success to theirs. As they grow, your views grow too. Many channels have gained millions of views doing exactly this. It's fast, it's fun, and you can earn solid RPMs since you'll mostly attract English-speaking audiences. The downside? Your channel lives and dies with the streamer. If they fall off, so do you. To avoid that, clip multiple creators and rotate between whoever's trending. But keep in mind, you're not really building a brand, just surfing waves. Sponsorships are rare, and the grind never stops. You have to constantly chase trends and moments in real time. Still, if you love watching streamers, this is one of the easiest ways to turn that into cash. Rung 4, wholesome content. The emotional side of shorts: animal rescues, reunions, random acts of kindness. These are feel-good videos that make people feel something. Cute dogs, kind moments, small acts of love. They're shareable, sponsor-friendly, and clean. Exactly what advertisers love. The challenge? It takes real skill to find authentic stories and edit them with good pacing and emotional pull. But if done right, this niche can be life-changing. The numbers are insane. We're talking millions of views, sometimes even life-changing revenue. Advertisers love it, so RPMs are high, $5 to $10, and top channels easily make $10,000 to $20,000 monthly. See Dodo. The secret is authenticity. Viewers can smell fake emotion instantly. When you master genuine storytelling, your reach multiplies, and that leads us to a niche built on pure visual craft: movie edit content. These creators pull iconic movie moments, mix them with trending music, and turn them into cinematic viral shorts. Channels like these get millions, even tens of millions, of views per clip. The RPM isn't huge since there's usually no narration, and yes, there's copyright risk. But studios are becoming more flexible after seeing how viral edits like the Creed edit on TikTok, with over 200 million views, actually boosted their movies. So if you can master timing, editing, and emotion, this niche can be both creatively and financially rewarding. At the midpoint, we have cinematic edits and movie moment shorts. These are visually striking, often with trending audio and flawless pacing. Channels like This Guy Edits prove it's possible to earn $8,000 to $15,000 a month with tasteful edits and brand deals. This niche rewards craft, and it's the gateway to building serious creative credibility. And that leads us to one of the fastest scaling content verticals on YouTube: gaming subcultures, Roblox, Minecraft, or Fortnite. The audience is massive and loyal. Channels in this space are making huge money, but the main creators are kids. That means there's still plenty of room for smart creators to jump in. To succeed, you must understand the Roblox culture. It's humor, slang, and trends. It's high reward, but also high burnout potential. One student made $5,000 per week, showing how big the opportunity is if you commit. RPMs range between $2 to $5, but volume makes up for it. Creators like Flamingo pull in hundreds of millions of monthly views, often translating to $20,000 to $50,000 plus monthly. If you understand the culture, you can scale faster than any niche before. And this brings us to a niche that not only earns well, it lasts. Rung 7, motivational and inspirational edits. These combine cinematic visuals, narration, and emotional arcs. The RPMs here are excellent, $7 to $15. And channels can hit $15,000 to $30,000 monthly once they build a loyal audience. Channels like Peaks and Bolt Motivation earn $50,000 to $100,000 per month, with RPMs over 30 cents per thousand views. Studios like Marvel even pay for motivational edits. These videos are evergreen. One post can keep earning for months or years. With hundreds of videos, you can easily make $300 to $400 per day passively. The best part? Very few creators can produce high-quality motivational edits, so competition is low. Learn the skill, stay consistent, and $10,000 plus months are realistic. See Ben Lionel Scott as a benchmark. The audience is older, more engaged, and brands pay premium rates. This niche has evergreen power. Videos can earn for months. But we're not done yet. Let's climb to the highest level of this ladder. Near the top is the high-investment, high-return niche, scripted, animated, or heavily produced content. Think 3D animation, mini-documentaries, or deep explainer shorts. This is where you move from creator to studio. This niche sits right at the top of the ladder, where earning $40,000 months becomes normal and your channel can practically run itself. Creators like Zach D Films and Movie Troll have mastered this model. Their channels generate money on autopilot by investing early in top-tier editors and animators, producing high-retention, visually captivating videos with a unique spin. RPMs can exceed $10 to $20, and monthly revenue often hits $30,000 to $100,000 plus with sponsorships, product lines, and licensing. The strategy is simple but powerful. Cover bold or controversial topics to spark curiosity. Deliver smooth, cinematic animations, ideally 60 frames per second. Add an element of surprise or emotion that hooks viewers instantly. The main challenge here is upfront cost and team management. You'll need skilled animators and editors to maintain quality and speed. But once the system is in place, it scales effortlessly. If you're still developing your skills, there are plenty of lower-cost ideas to start building toward $2,000 per month in YouTube Shorts. And here's one final strategy that cuts across every rung of this ladder. It's one of the easiest and most consistent YouTube Shorts models out there: CTA commentary. Here's the secret: strategic mid-video calls to action. Most people drop their subscribe message at the end when viewers are already gone. But if you time your CTA during peak engagement, right before the payoff, when curiosity is at its highest, you can literally double your conversion rate. CTA commentary is all about creating short commentary videos with strategic call to actions placed throughout the video, not just at the end, to boost engagement and retention. And the best part? You don't need complex storytelling or expensive animation. All you need are clear ideas, good pacing, and an engaging delivery. Many creators are already making $20,000 to $50,000 per month using this simple, personality-driven, low-cost, high-reward model. Here's how to get started. 1. Pick a topic. Talk about trending news, movie scenes, or viral clips. 2. Write a short commentary, 30 to 60 seconds of your thoughts or reactions. 3. Add mid-video CTAs, say subscribe or follow for more right before the best moment hits. 4. Edit for pace. Use stock footage or simple animation, captions, and quick zooms to keep it punchy. 5. Stay consistent. Post 3 to 5 shorts every week to build momentum. If you need examples, check out Drew Melvin Clips, Tay Explained, Think Media Shorts, or Creator Hook. They all use variations of this same strategy to grow fast. Clear visuals, smart timing, and branded animation. Simple, scalable levers for YouTube growth. If this helped, drop a comment with your favorite niche, and subscribe so you never miss the next step of the YouTube income ladder. Start small and scale fast. Use remix or commentary formats for quick cash, and aim for animation or documentary shorts for long-term growth. Each rung builds skill, capital, and leverage. This is Spotless Leads, helping you scale smarter, faster, and higher on the YouTube money ladder.